The Black Helicopter Conspiracy. For those who spend any amount of time in conspiracy circles, talk of black helicopters is relatively rampant. A genuine mystery, menacing or not. A top-secret UFO response unit. Further black helicopter cases in the United Kingdom. A dark government connection. And these potentially ominous aerial vehicles have links to a wide range of secret activity, from UFO sightings, encounters with the men in black, and even cattle mutilation. In fact, it was during the wave of cattle mutilation cases of the late 1970s when black helicopters began to be reported regularly. Many ranch owners and farmers would claim to have witnessed these vehicles in the days before or after the discovery of a mutilated animal. In some circles, however, these menacing helicopters carry with them an air of paranoia, particularly it would seem in the United States, where a persistent and underlying concern still resides among many of an invasion by soldiers from a secret shadow world government. In a similar vein, sightings of black helicopters have been linked to secret mind control projects of intelligence agencies, apparently sending out low-frequency waves to vast sections of the population. No one organization exclusively owns such a unit of heavy-duty black helicopters, yet the sightings continue to stack up. While the theories as to what they are and why they apparently patrol our skies may be up for debate, the existence of these mystery aircraft surely isn't. More recent black helicopter UFO accounts. The non-human entities programs. The 2018 Chicago incident. Where do black helicopters fit into the big picture? Just one more complex situation to unravel. A genuine mystery, menacing or not. The fact is, nobody actually knows who owns these black helicopters or what their purpose is. As is very obviously the point, the exterior is unmarked of any distinguishing features or symbols. And while they stand out very obviously in the day, their black exterior allows night missions to be carried out much more discreetly. If these machines operated in silence, such clandestine missions would be even easier to carry out. Bizarrely, many of these reports actually mention that the helicopters make no sound whatsoever. This would appear to be nonsensical, as helicopters can most often be heard before seen due to the frantic rotation of the helicopter blades which keep the object aloft, known as blade vortex interaction. However, it would appear that these claims are not as ridiculous as we might think when we look at news from Eurocopter engineers that their Blue Edge rotor blade system operates in virtual silence. Many of the claims of silent, black helicopters, for example, come from the many cattle mutilation cases. While some believe such cases are the result of alien experimentation, others suggest a more direct government involvement, and point to the sightings of black helicopters around the sites of mutilated cattle as partial proof of something untoward. It isn't just in the United States where these mysterious black aircraft are spotted. In the United Kingdom, several reports of unmarked and suddenly appearing black helicopters are within the details of UFO reports, many of which feature claims of crashed or downed unidentified aircraft. Those witnesses who have experienced these scenarios close-up state that most often, there is a military presence about those who emerge from these crafts. And what's more often than not, these units appear to be of a mixture of British and American soldiers. If these claims are true, we have to ask, how many UFOs have come crashing to Earth, whether accidentally or intentionally so, and all evidence of such an encounter simply wiped away by a unit that arrived on site before anyone, literally, knew what was happening? While the above is unnerving but certainly plausible, there are theories as to these ominous aircraft that test the limits of even the most open-minded of people. Further black helicopter cases in the United Kingdom. Perhaps we would be wise to return our attention to the research of veteran researcher and author, Nick Redfern, who documents some intriguing encounters with black helicopters in his book Top Secret Alien Abduction Files. what the government doesn't want you to know, several of which unfolded in the United Kingdom. According to Redfern's research, a newspaper report from early 1974 appeared courtesy of leaked information from someone in the British government of the time. According to the report, the Special Branch, a department of the British police force, was discreetly investigating reports of unidentified helicopters all across the United Kingdom. Although it was first suspected that the strange helicopter reports might be connected to terrorism or even illegal immigration, when the Special Branch and other individual police forces made official statements to the press following the leak, they claimed that they had found nothing to indicate a connection to terrorism, nor did they have any solid leads as to what the helicopters were doing or who was responsible for them. It is also interesting to note that when black helicopter reports began in 1973, a UFO wave hit around the world. And once more, we should remind ourselves of the other intriguing connections that might well be found in the cattle mutilation phenomena, which, although had been happening since the mid-1960s, began to surge in the mid to late 1970s. Around the same time, the black helicopters began to be witnessed in abundance. Like many situations in history, and indeed in life, the truth to those questions and claims are likely somewhere in the middle of the absolute complex web of agenda-driven narratives and the unquestioning ideological sympathies that follow. For as long as there is a mystery that requires solving, there will be people, and groups of people, who will look to twist it to their own ends. Whether for money, power, or both.